No, throwing up on your neighbor's door is not a nice way to say hello.
We all gotta learn somewhat.
Oh, hi there.
Fuck, dude.
Pay the attention, man.
It's not like there was any reason to suddenly change lanes right there.
That light over there on the left.
Swearing, maybe we are. Like, but never else.
Yep. Traffic goes that way. Wrong way.
Yeah, why is he not like that guy? Like, that's what he seems like he would be like based on his record, and I wonder if he, at a certain point, just out of self-preservation or something, was like, well, that ship's going down because this guy's...
Wow. Unreal.
Well, right, he's been years old.
So many unnecessary risks.
Are a lot of these folks, going to be rehabilitated and
I'm going to feel lucky to get out alive this weekend.
They were not there as active enablers, 20 years from now. That'd be where my bet is. But I thought it was worth anything. But I know I went on.
Yeah, you're going the wrong way.
No, I can't wait till like March.
Wrong way, jackass.
Yeah, because I am just. This is not my skill. Keeping track of these different fuck faces and like which.
What the fuck is that asshole doing? Oh my god. Are you trying to kill yourself?
It's all one big, terrible mess.
Dude, turn your lights on. Turn your lights on! Really? You can't park? It's a whole parking spot right there. This area is not parking. This is where traffic goes. I know it's hard to comprehend. You're in my way.
I guess we'll just continue to twiddle our thumbs.
What is it?
This person's just chilling in the middle of the road.
Oh.
They're like, go ahead. I'm like, you're in my way. You're literally straddling both sides of the road. I can't turn on ghost mode. Wow, that car behind me is so gay. Like, so gay.
Would actually be taking steps to regulate nicotine levels in cigarettes, which actually has not been done. I assumed.
Wow.
Yes, I assumed. I just thought that was a thing for government to take, but no. So he actually says that they actually gave out
Go, Grandma.
notice of a proposed rule. So
look, sometimes you want to go to Payless and you really do want to pay less. And that's when you end up with when you go to Payless and fucking
Excellent work.
That's when you end up with money. No,
Why are you passing via the middle turn lane?
Which is what I do.
It's a dick move.
Payless far beyond.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, did you have a green light? Did you have a green light? No, you didn't.
There isn't really any kind of consequence for doing shit like this.
Idiots. Cost this guy being able to make his turn.
No one ever follows the stop red light thing, and like
Nope.
they don't move when they're supposed to move. And like,
Yeah, I see people scooting through the red light. Oh, excuse you.
I like you.
I don't even care anymore.
Nope.
I'm just like, nope.
I'm your witness. You won't do anything.
Yeah.
You can pull over here if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
I think it's that place, right?
It is.
Cool.
You are correct. For some reason, the GPS often tries to put us in a parking lot.
Yellow. Red. Good job. Good job.
He is barely my assholes.
Okay. Anyway, you shall appear to him as a shark and ask to be let on board the ark.
Yeah. Wait. Why? What?
Because, you know, you're not supposed to be there. It's just the two sharks.
What is that person doing?
No, let me finish. You said Miller will find you and you'll eat the kid.
Go get him.
So it's also murder? Right. Okay, that's also murder. Just quick thing. What's the longer game plan?
People just park wherever they want, right? Take care. Man, people are stupid.
The margin financing and instead pay in cash, that means your financing falls through, right? That is, you don't elect out of the financing. The financing looked at it and said, we agreed to finance this when Tesla was at $1,000 a share.
Oh my God.
It's at $650, so either pony up more money or pony up more stock, or we're going to pull the offer.
Very
And this was
good.
like, fine, you pull the offer. I'll found my own Twitter. Blackjack.
Tell us, like, what's
Sort
your,
of.
what's
So
your saltiest comment
I
about
named
Seattle?
myself that because I'm a nice guy. I'm a very patient driver, but
You're salty.
I will express myself when I see people doing dumb shit on the road.
As it were.
You know, salty is like a step below angry.
Right.
Good job.
Nice.
Perfect. Yeah.
A+ timing.
Yep.
It's like, if you look here to the right, this is why I'm
You
salty.
see this
Yeah.
idiot halfway out into the road.
We've got a trench coat.
Hey, geniuses, that's a bike lane. That's a bike lane. Pretty sure I heard somebody say, "Shut the fuck up, bitch."
When you say material, what do you mean by material?
I mean, it's composed of
Yeah.
It might belong to
The
Cornet.
Seattle Times?
No, that building's up here. Excuse you.
Oh.
Didn't even look.
Please be patient, new driver. Fuck you, new driver.
But it's also a zip car.
I feel like they.
So I would like hide shit in the living room. I would like turn the couch upside down when nobody was home and cut like a little slit at the bottom
why
of
are
the couch.
they
Just put
driving
stuff
up
under the
bike
couch.
lane?
Like, oh my god, hide stuff like take a trophy apart and hide shit in trophies.
Tom Shank redemption.
For real, like I got all weird.
Oh
about
my
it,
god.
Because like your shit was all the time. Yeah. Right. So like I got always appeared in the
Yep. Just another reason why you gotta watch out for those rental cars. They do not know what they're doing. You were going the wrong way. I wonder how you got there.
I am stupid.
Say that's contextual, can you fling at the wall? And as you go down this list, he was surrounded by aides and lawyers who
Have a green light.
ran down each and every one and said, no, that's
Literally
bullshit.
couldn't have
That's
waited
nonsense.
3
That's
seconds.
crazy. That's ridiculous. And then he would just want to hurt you. You can't negotiate with that. And yet, so many Democratic leaders refuse to admit that truth. I mean, I've seen so much AOC this week saying the right stuff. And she's not the only one. I'm not trying to throw other Democrats on the bus because they say it too and they don't.
That's not a place you can turn left
But it's
from.
like, yeah, she's younger than us. It's like you're
Make
the
your
only
own
one that
turn
seems
lane.
to recognize.
My 2 dogs skunked. I can confirm that all washing with tomato juice accomplishes is turning what once was a terrible stench into a terrible stench with red
Oh my
stains.
god.
That's all you
Don't do that.
Why would it just get rid of the one odor though? Like, why how it works. Yeah, I admit I should have thought that through, Heath. Did you know? When I washed 2 dogs and myself with tomato juice, I'm not gonna lie about that. Like God created pairs of smells and antidotes that all just 1 to 1.
This is not, I'm pretty sure this is not a two-way road.
Smells and it just cuts it right off. Well, since we're sharing, here's one I
Yep.
thought was real. But admittedly,
It
I
is
was
indeed
injecting
a one-way road.
Snakes do not unhinge their jaw when they swallow food.
No, I could imagine feeling that way that closer to before I kind of de-brainwashed myself.
Today, it rebounded to 39. So when you see Twitter rebounds to, okay, but all the numbers in your head, take a look at it. The point at which you think that this deal will 100% go through. If you bought Twitter at 39 today, and you can cash out at 50 on 20 on October,
Oh.
33% profit.
Just sit here.
So there would be no reason not to do
It's
that.
a terrible place to park. My god. Turn your goddamn lights on. There you go. There you go. Wow, this is an amazing parking job. don't think there's anyone even in there. Nope. Of course not.
Damn, ballsy.
I see it every day.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Yeah. The entitlement blows the mind. God forbid we have to walk 50 feet.
Like, I get that parking's annoying, but like, you're also
You can
not
do
trying
it.
that hard.
Yeah. I've been doing
Like,
this for...
I can guarantee you they didn't look other than right there.
Oh, for sure. That's what I pretty much know for a fact.
Yeah.
It's, people don't give a fuck. They,
No.
I've done food delivery for years.
So
I've done this for years.
And I find somewhere, you know.
Yeah.
If it's like in the alley where
Yeah.
someone's not gonna like hit your car.
Yeah.
Or something. Because you're also like, I mean, if someone hits your car, first of all, I probably wouldn't stop if I hit their car. I'd be like, well, there's no one in there.
I would never. Yeah, I wouldn't.
Like,
I wouldn't
whatever.
trust people to stop.
No, it would be
Hit and runs are
expected
very
to, like,
common.
Get your shit fucked up.
Yep. Like, it would be hard for somebody to like not see that, but
yeah, but there are
at the
people
same
who are-
time,
who
there's
are,
people
like,
on their phones all the
yeah,
time. It's like it's
a lot of
certainly
people
possible.
Still, like, are on their phones driving. As
Yep.
stupid as it, you
Or even just looking away.
dangerous- Yeah, it's just for a second.
That's all it takes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Good job, asshole. Go. And I get a pickup right here. Oh my God, there's no one in there. There was no one in there.